Today we're going to be playing Freeborn Man. Not just any Freeborn Man, but Bela Fleck's solo on Freeborn Man from the early 1990s in Merlefest. If you're looking for the tab for this, you can find it on my Patreon at patreon.com/Ricky-Mier. And on that website, you can find not only the tabs, but the backing tracks too, to most of the videos that I've been putting out. And if you want to do more, smack that like button, leave a comment, and
subscribe for more fly banjo content.
Y'all hit subscribe for more fly banjo content. Sup?
Hit subscribe for more fly banjo content. Stop!
now here's the same piece played a little slower along with the tablature.